Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Mom will make me a star. Today we will make a web shooter. We need cardboard, mini sketch pen, and pen which has a spring, velcro, white paper, scissors, paint and few stationery things. Let's start. The first step is we have to empty the sketch pen and we have to take out the spring out of the pen. This is what we get. We need out of this a hollow sketch pen and cover of this and the spring. Now we have to put it in the hollow sketch pen. We are cutting the front portion of the sketch pen. Now let's try to shoot the bullet to see if it works. Woo! It's cool, guys. The next step is we have to make a band for our web shooter. The length of the band will be according to your wrist. We have to cut a shape like this and paste over here. And the shooting mechanism will come pasted over here. This is what we get. Now we will cover the sketch pen also. As you can see, we have covered the shooting mechanism. After this, we have to paste the velcro on the band. Now we have pasted our shooting mechanism on the band. Place the trigger over here. I have made this trigger with stick. We have to prepare the stick. First, we have to put it in the water for at least 1 hour. And then it will become very soft and we have to give the shape like this. So guys, we have made our movable trigger. Now we will paste it over here, which will be lock for the bullet. It's time to decorate my web shooter. Ooh, it's very cool. Ooh. Web shooter is ready. It's very cool. Ooh.